Need a reliable seal or repair? Look no further than Red Epoxy. Trusted for over 50 years in the HVAC industry, Red Epoxy is your go-to resin-based epoxy for permanent repairs in just 10 minutes. It can be used in a variety of ways. Red Epoxy is a standard for HVAC repairs, ideal for coils, line sets, joints, and more. And the application is super easy. Clean the surface. Mix the 2 parts equally. Apply to the repair area. Let it set for 24 to 48 hours, or speed up the process by applying heat at 300 degrees. Red Epoxy changes colors until it turns amber. Once it cools, the repair is complete. Red Epoxy has been tested up to 3000 psi. Red Epoxy is safe for oil, gas, fuel, and is solvent resistant, and it works on all metals and rigid plastics. When you need a repair specialist, reach for Red Epoxy. High Side Chemicals saves you time and makes you money.